Okay, so we're going to continue on with our shapes, and now we're going to go ahead and let's just give we're going to drag from this top ruler. You got to hold the mouse down and drag, and we're going to go ahead and set, let's set it at 4. Let's see if I'm going to get my spacing correctly here. So I'm going to now hold the mouse down here. Let's do a test. Let's see if I right click. Okay, right click or hold the mouse down for like 3 seconds. You can change to the ellipse tool. And I want you to hold shift, and we are going to create a circle. And not exactly sure why my circle didn't draw. Here we go. Okay, hold shift, and I drew my circle. And here's something interesting. You could either double click and pick your color manually and set it manually, or you could do it this way. You could take this tool, the eyedropper tool, and click on the red square, and it will pick up the properties of the red square, and now your circle is the same as the red square. Okay, great. So let's move on down to the next shape. So we're going to go ahead and come down to, I'm going to pull a ruler down, a guide down to 6 inches. We're going to change the shape to a polygon tool, and we are simply going to click on the screen. Okay, I lied. We're not just going to click. That's how it used to work. How are we going to switch the properties? Let's delete that. Right click? Nope, that didn't work. Let me see. It used to be, there you go. You click on the screen. I don't know why I clicked the first time and it didn't work. You just click on the screen, a left click, and you now can set the sides to 3, and it created a triangle for you. And now let's do the eyedropper so we can see this better. And take the black arrow, and let's move it into place. And I don't know how miraculously it's set at the right size and everything. And here we go. We're going to make another guide and take it down to 8. And we are now going to make our star. And let's just go ahead and drag our star here. Now let's just say I made the wrong size star. And I'm going to make it red so we can see it better. And I'm going to move it into place. Now to resize things, you can just simply hold shift and drag it in. And there you have it. I think this side I might have missed. And voila, we've got our shapes there, okay? Let's see what happens if we hide the guides temporarily. Let's go View, Guides. Let's see if we hide the guides. Okay, we hid the guides. Okay, great. Let's see if we could show them again. Guides, show guides. Okay, so you can see that you can make them appear and just reappear. Okay, let's just copy and paste these guys so that we have them. We're going to have a row of these. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and let's just go faster. Let's just go faster. I'm going to give you a little bit of freedom to line these things up. Okay, so I'm going to select all these with the black arrow. Okay, let's hide the guides. Go View, Guides, Hide Guides. Whoop. I've got everything selected. Click off of everything. View, Guides, Hide Guides. Okay, now we're just going to select this. We're going to say Edit Copy. And we're going to say Edit Paste in Front. And then without deselecting them, drag them across. If you hold Shift, it'll drag them straight across. And we have another copy. So I want 5 sets of these. Okay? So let's move it back a slight bit. Okay, and we're going to say Edit Copy, Edit Paste in Front, and we're going to move these over. Edit Copy, Edit Paste in Front, and we're going to move these over. And we'll go Edit Copy again, Edit Paste in Front, and there you have it. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take this, remember you have the black arrow, we're going to go, and we're just going to change the colors. We're going to go red, green, and blue for RGB. We're going to do a little color lesson here. So we're going to change it to 0% red, or 0 red and 255. So the range from the range goes from 0 up to 255 in RGB. So what we're going to do is we're going to give it the full amount of red, green, or blue for each row. And so that's what full blast blue would look like. That's full green and that's full red. And now what's interesting is I want you guys to learn this. If you put full red and full green, you get yellow. And then if you do full, the last one was blue, and since the middle row is green, we're going to put full blue and full green, and that's what we get. Okay? So, and I guess we could have, it would be cool if we had a full blue and full red, you would see the purple. Okay, so go ahead and have fun with doing that, playing with the colors. Hopefully you get a little understanding of how the RGB works, how the shapes work, how you could align things up. And everyone's document should look like this. And to save it, you're going to go File, Save As. And if you're a student in my class, you should be looking for your username and save it into your My Documents folder in there. Okay? And I've already saved mine. So now you're going to make a second copy, and you're going to go ahead and file Export. And you're going to hit Export As. Okay? And we want to pick, we're going to go for, where's JPEG. JPEG format is what we want. And you're going to go ahead and hit Export. And then so medium quality is fine for now. And what we're going to go ahead and do, that when you turn it in, you'll be sending that JPEG to me. Okay, so go ahead and have fun creating your shapes with color.